Hey everyone, it's Adventure Link here. How's it going? This is going to be a supplemental, somewhat impromptu update which will go along with today's drone adventure. Please watch the original video when it comes up. It will be in the video description. I think I found a problem with this. Never mind these little bent frames, which can always come off anyway. It's not that serious. And all the appropriate places it was bent, which I believe the main culprit was right here. Right, I can spin all these blades fine. I can spin this one fine, this one fine, this one fine, this one not so much. Yeah, I'm using normal strength. I can get a few rotations when I go normal strength here, but for this, I'm putting more strength on it, and it's not even wanting to go a full turn. Yeah. You look here. As I turn this, I don't know if it's just me or whatever, but it also looks like this blade is, out of alignment, like it's wobbly now. Not to mention too, the binding inside is not helping matters either. So, I guess we're going to need a new motor on this thing. I can still salvage the blade, I think. Right, it's just an itty bitty Phillips head screw. You probably can't see it, but trust me, it's just a little bitty Phillips head screwdriver. Need a jeweler set for this. So, drone adventure repair video in the future? Possibly. As long as I can find a source for some motors, that'd be great. Found one on Google, which I'll link in the video description, but unfortunately, at the time this video was put up on YouTube, they're out of stock. So if someone out there can find someone that's in stock, or if I find one personally that's in stock, I guess we'll have a drone adventure repair video coming in the future. So, this has been a quick update as to today's drone adventures and what I think happened to it. This has been Adventure Link. I want to say thanks for watching this video. Know the videos I have here on YouTube, as well as rating, commenting, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the bell button. Donate to my medical bills. Links are in the video description. Any amount helps out, like always. And as Gain from the Grave would say, it helps to keep this channel and myself alive and undead. And as Eric the Car Guy would say, be safe, have fun, of course, stay dirty. And don't forget to play with your toys, as he would say in the tool reviews. Yeah. Alright. Take care, everyone, and have a good one.